quids.
Right, this is what happens when you lock your keys in your car. Where are they? Oh, hello! My Mondeo key don't work, so we have the next best thing. Ta-da!
The Halford's hammer.
Harry the Hammer. Go on, son, take it away. It's alright, it'll only be 20 quid or something. Woo! Goddamn! One hit wonder. Smashing his car up, he hates it. Oh, don't chuck the hammer on the roof. Oh, yes. Oh, careful, Edie, out of the way. Move. In. Poor fucker.
Shut up.
Oh, bless you, mate. I love if my key unlocks.
Don't look at me like that.
I love if my key unlocks the door now. Oh, please unlock. That would be so funny. No, it's not working. Never mind.